Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to go ahead and discuss what might be the best pair of Jumpman jacks. You already know what the topic is, the Dark Mocha Jumpman jacks. I just got a pair in right here, and I wanted to show you all in hand what these are looking like. Very, very clean. You can see we got kind of that darker brown suede, or lighter brown suede. I'll say that, you know, kind of fits more with the Mocha name, but then a black colorway. Also going with the swoosh right there on the back. You know, I'll get into showing y'all more of these up close details in a second, but very, very nice pair. I'll compare them with the last ones they did, the sale pair, which those go for a bit more, but I mean, I could totally see the market flipping down the line where the sales go for less than these, because these are very, very clean. You could argue they're cleaner than the sale pair 100%. I own the sale pair in my collection, and if you said you like these more, honestly, I don't even know if I disagree, you know? Like, I want a pair of these. But yeah, we'll get into it. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to 300 likes in this video. We'll do a full deep dive. We'll show the bag they come with, all the laces, the pair, box. I got the box lid just on the ground right here, because keep in mind, Jumpman Jack box is like it's a full mission to get open and actually look at the shoe. Like, the shoe is in the bag and the shoes are in wrapping, and then that's in a box. I mean, it's not that much work, but you know, it's kind of funny, you know. It's like a 3-step process to actually like get to the shoes. And you guys can also check me out my IGs down below. If anybody's needing a pair of these, I should have bulk soon, so 7 through 14. Just let me know your size. I'll be there. I'm gonna be keeping some, but yeah, let me know. And of course, shout out my members in Resale Vision. Don't forget, we've been doing some pairs of these in the market. I got more and more that have been landing, so maybe my members last couple of days have noticed we've been kind of posting a couple more Jumpman jacks. We'll definitely be doing more of those under market a little bit later tonight. And of course, some other items. We did some patent breads this morning, some April SBs last night. And yeah, we'll just continue to drop the heat for you guys. And we gave away a pair of, well, these very recently. So shout out to the guy that won it. I think that's landed today, so I'm about to go pick that up, and I'll get that out to you today or Monday. So yeah. Shout out to you. And we'll be doing another one near Christmas. So if you guys like giveaways, free stuff. I mean, you see I got medium olives. Maybe medium olive. I don't know. We have to see. All right, but enough talking. So the first thing we're going to get into is the box. So keep in mind with the Jumpman jacks, it's a massive box. Here's the box lid, as y'all can see. So you see it's just this jack. And you guys are probably like, where are the shoes? Well, I got that sitting right here. Do not worry. No, we got it. Oh, in the other side of the box, as you guys can see, Cactus Jack logo, or the Jordan Jumpman goes through that right there when you put the box lid on it. But as you guys can see, we'll just grab it right here so you guys can kind of take a better look at the other side of the box. So as you guys can see, there's the box lid, size tag. This is just a 10.5. I'm just keeping these on ice. I paid a bit higher for these because, you know, I got a bit impatient. I didn't wait for the market to drop because, you know, I needed to get some pairs for my members in Resale Vision, and you know, we did that. Also need to get one to give away, so we also did that. But this was just one I was keeping on ice, and I was like, you know what, why not? And it's my dad's size too, so if my dad's watching this video, yeah, maybe we can make some sort of trade, something like that, you know what I mean? I'll try and text him, or remember to text him that offer. But yeah, these are just clean. That's the main thing I can say. But aside from, you know, the pair, we'll show y'all in a second. Just 1 second here. There's more with this pair, do not forget. So another thing, keep in mind, this little tote bag it comes with, right? I mean, again, if you're flipping these maybe locally or something, maybe you could like flip the tote bag too. I don't know. Most people, I would say, would want the tote bag with it, so I would not try that. I don't know why I recommended that, yeah. But I don't know. I guess maybe if you got them like early or something like that, you might be able to like flip some of these. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's a little market for these. But just a little Jumpman Jack tote bag that we got. Comes with it, you know, just a little free accessory, and then the actual shoes we got right here. So aside from the box, I'm gonna set these back down over, or just right there. Okay, that should fit. But you guys can see with the Jumpman Jack Dark Mochas, we're just gonna take it right here to the toe box. You guys can see the nice kind of lighter brown suede. I mean, again, these are clean. I'm just looking at these like in person, they're nice. On camera, they look absolutely crazy. So yeah, very, very nicely done. Absolutely think that 300 to 350 on these is not going to last. Like, what Travis Scott shoe has chilled at 300, 350 bucks? None of them, other than the Canaries, and those didn't even drop that long ago. And this is probably better to most people. So yeah, that's how I'm feeling. You know, these are very, very clean. There's also, you know, what we got back on the heel right there. Very well done. I could see why, you know, people may not like them, because, you know, how it looks back there by the heel does kind of look funky. If you're just looking at these from the back, you'd be like, that doesn't really look too good right there. Maybe they could have done something else, or you know, maybe kept it I don't know. It looks fine. It's not. I'm being too picky right there, but yeah, as you guys can see, that's also what we got. And there's some other laces too. I really like some of these other options we got. So as you guys can see, some of the other options, we got a white pair. I think this could look really good on the shoe. Also, I mean, brown set, yeah, cannot go wrong with that. So brown set of laces. And also they always include this kind of speckled pair. I don't know. It's also with the sale pair, but yeah, these, they look all right. You know, I've tried them on the sale pair. They don't look great. They look all right. I kind of prefer just to what I'm rocking. I'm rocking the white laces on my sale pair. So yeah, I don't know. I might do the white laces on these. This isn't my size. This is just one that I'm going to keep and hold on to. Because even though, you know, I paid a little bit higher on these, right? I didn't pay too high on them, right? To the point where I'm like, oh man, I'm going to have to hold these forever. No, like, I mean, this will easily be a shoe that'll be at $500, $600. So I'll just be patient. I'll wait. Also, here's what we got on the soles right there. You guys can see it just says Jack. I believe the other one, it just says that as well. So, yep. Here you go. Here are the soles on them. So, it just says Jack right there. Pretty clean. You know, you really can't go wrong with a pair of these. And also, I forgot to show you all what it has on the Velcro kind of tab right there. Kind of like a little Cactus Jack logo. I see this in some of their music videos, but also it's on some of their other pairs they have. So, yep, that's there as well. And, yeah, a little Jordan white Jumpman on the inside right there. And, yeah, let me not knock over all my shoes right here. If anybody's needing some Powerpuff Baby shoes, let me know. I had a few come in the other day. So, yeah, size 3Y. Yeah, kind of random thing to put in the video. But, yeah, just hit me on my Insta. I'll be making a website soon. All this stuff's going to be posted on my website soon, so stay tuned. But, yeah. That's how I'm feeling about the Jumpman Jacks. Very, very clean pair. Absolutely not going to last at the prices they are at now. And actually, now thinking about it while I'm making this video, I need to secure the bulk pairs I was going to buy. I was telling y'all about it at the start of the video, but I actually need to like send the deposit real quick, and then yeah, we'll be good. And yeah, that's again the Jumpman Jack Dark Mocha. So I'm gonna do some B-roll shots for these, and then we might do a little. I mean, you can just watch my video from 2 days ago, kind of discussing the market. It'll continue to just stay where they're at for probably a month or two, and then they'll start slowly rising in price because they're not gonna last at those lower prices right now. The reason they're there is because bulk amounts. Same thing happened with the medium olives. Some people had like 100, 200 pairs. Those cleared out in like a week, and then as you guys can see, those are now rising in price and will be quickly heading towards $600. In Europe, they're already at like 700, 800, I think. At least what I saw with some of the guys I work with, like on SB stuff. So, yeah, they're making crazy, absolutely crazy money on medium olives already. The fact they're at 700, 800 over there. So, if you think these can't go to 500, 600, even though most Travis Scott shoes go up 100, 200 bucks, then I mean, I would just tell you to look at past releases, you know what I mean? I wouldn't say you're wrong, you know, because anything can happen. They could restock, all of a sudden they start restocking, but I don't think they'll do that. And, yeah, you know, I think it's best to just be realistic. Most Travis Scott shoes go up in price. This will most likely be no exception. Very good looking shoe, too. The fact that it's wearable, also not just like pure hype, like, that helps. That helps. That's big. That's very big. Kind of like the medium olives. It's not just the fact that it's a hype Travis Scott shoe. It's actually really wearable. Like, easy shoe to just put on. It's why they're doing well. It's why they're going up. So, hopefully that reasoning makes sense. I also forgot to show you all, like the portion on the tongue tag right there. So you guys can just see it's Jumpman right there. And on the other one, I believe it is, yeah, the exact same thing. So, there's that. Inside of the tongue tag, we don't really got anything there. So, forgot to show y'all, but let's just do the B-roll shots, get into the outro. That's kind of my brief market analysis, though, on why I think they'll go up in price. Hopefully that reasoning makes sense. Let's continue, though.
Sticks made a bucket hit.
Anyways, guys, I hope you all did enjoy this review for the Dark Mocha Jumpman Jack. Let me know how y'all are feeling about this shoe. For me, I mean, this is a cop. I mean, I got some on the way, so yeah, this is definitely one of those ones I'm just going to keep for a bit on ice because I think it'll do well over time. Like, you just can't go wrong with a pair like this, you know what I mean? In terms of just how Travis Scott shoes have been performing recently. Of course, for the personal collection, you could just be like, yeah, it's not my style. Oh, Travis Scott shoes are overpriced. You know, I can go get 5 personal shoes I like for the price of 1. All those are fair points to argue. I wouldn't disagree with any of them. And, you know, to each its own. But there's a great market for them. I think they'll go up in price, and hopefully those reasons make sense. And hopefully those B-roll shots are good. You guys got kind of a better angle and look at what these truly look like in hand. Very, very nice shoe. Has all the reasons to go up, and that's why I think they will. So, if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try and hit 300 likes on this video. It just lets me know these are the types of videos y'all want more of. And you can check me out on my IGs down below. Always buying, selling, trading. If anybody needs a pair of these, 7 through 14, I think the price I had them at was $360. So if anybody's interested, let me know. I have less of the bigger sizes. I mean, makes sense, you know what I mean? There's just not as many that get made. And I'll be holding some of them, but yeah, I have a couple. I'll double check the stock later tonight. So just check my story if y'all will see that. And yeah, hopefully I will get to that. I should, you know what I mean? I'm not too busy later today, and I'll just be watching a little bit of the UFC card later since we got like, I think it's like 310. So I'll watch that. But mainly going to be trying to focus on my shoe stuff. And for my members in Resale Vision, shout out to all you guys in there. I'll be dropping some deals tonight. We'll be running another giveaway soon. Just gonna get this one that I just did out, and then we'll worry about the next one. You guys understand, you know what I mean? We gotta stay organized, gotta stay planning. And I mean, it is the end of my exam time right now, so it's like, if you guys get what I'm saying, it's crunch time right now. So your boys had like no downtime. Today's gonna be another day where I don't have a lot of downtime. Tomorrow I'll have a bit more because it's Sunday. I just, I take it as a chill day usually, no matter what. But yeah, tonight I'm gonna, spend a lot of time. We're gonna sort a lot of items in Resale Vision, post some stuff in the IG, and obviously get this video out. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So until thank you guys. See you on the next one tomorrow, and don't miss out on that. We'll be posting consistently. See y'all then. Peace.